If Adobe Lightroom is showing error code 127, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This error usually means a required app component is missing or broken, so Lightroom can't load one of the modules it needs to run properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without losing your photos or edits. Before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, try the simplest fix. Restart Lightroom and sign out, then sign back in. Open Lightroom, go to Help and choose Sign Out. After that, fully close the app and restart your computer. Once your system is back on, open Lightroom again and sign in with the same Adobe account. This refreshes the session and can clear out temporary account or licensing issues that sometimes trigger error code 127. If that does not fix it, the next step is to update Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer and check for updates. Click Update All if you see it, or Update Lightroom specifically if that option appears. It is very important to keep both Creative Cloud and Lightroom updated because a missing or outdated component can cause this exact error. After the update finishes, restart your computer again and test Lightroom one more time. If the error is still there, then the most likely cause is a corrupt install, missing files, or a plugin conflict. In that case, the best solution is a clean reinstall of Lightroom. First, uninstall Lightroom from your computer. Then, open Adobe Creative Cloud and reinstall Lightroom from there so it pulls a fresh copy of the program. If you use any third-party plugins, it is a good idea to temporarily remove or disable them before launching Lightroom again, because a bad plugin can also trigger module loading errors. Once the reinstall is complete, open Lightroom and sign in again. For most users, this fixes error code 127 completely, because it replaces the broken components with a clean version. So to recap, the fix order is sign out and restart, update Adobe Creative Cloud and Lightroom, and if needed, do a clean reinstall. If you followed along and this worked for you, drop a comment below and let me know which step fixed it. And if you want more fast tutorials like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.